happy morning to all. Today we are going to another new topic or chapter of your 7th class biology. Okay, before going to discuss about our new lesson, it is very important to discuss about something. What is that something? For example, you people are going to visit a function, or you people are going to attend a marriage function. What is the first thing we are going to do? Will you go with the old dresses? No, we don't have interest to wear old dress, and we all have interest to buy new clothes, new dresses to look beautiful in that marriage function. Is it right? Yes, we all have a lot of interest to buy new dresses and sarees. Your mother, if we talk about your mother, while she is going to attend any function, she may buy pattu sarees, which are we will buy using silk, which is very expensive. Is it right? Yes. Then how we people able to get all these varieties of fabrics? And you have a little knowledge in your lower classes about fabric. Okay, by weaving the fibers obtained from plants or animals together in order to produce a piece of fabric. Is it right? Fibers or thread-like structures. And by using these threads, the people who have interest to weave cloths, they weave the fabric. And by taking that fabric, we people are able to make the fabric into different varieties of dresses, sarees, pants, shirt, and different varieties of modern wear also we people preparing. Is it right? Then how we people are getting the fabric? Do you have any idea? Yes. We get the fabric from plants. From what variety of plants we may get the fabric? See here children, we have a list of plants which may give fabric. See here, cotton. From cotton plant we are able to prepare cotton cloths by obtaining the cotton. Jute, you may heard the word jute dresses, jute sarees, jute coat, which are also somewhat expensive. Is it right? Yes. By using jute plant, we are also able to produce jute fabric. Then move to the next one, Gungora. You people are well familiar with Gungora. From that Gungora stem also, we are able to get a strong fiber. Okay. Then come to the next one, coconut. By using coconut fibers also we are able to prepare different varieties of fabrics and some strong threads also. Is it right? Yes. Then what about animals? Do they give any fibers to us? Yes. As like plants, animals also capable to produce fabric. What kind of fabric we are able to get from animals? Yes. Once again, you remember the season of winter. The season of winter. What kind of clothes we may wear? We just have interest to wear woolen sweater, woolen blouses, woolen socks. Is it right? Why? In order to make our body to be protected from outer atmosphere, because the outer atmosphere is very chill and cold. In order to protect our body temperature, what we people are doing, we just covering our body with woolen cloths. Is it right? And at the same time, we are also able to get silk, which is very expensive, from again animals. What kind of animal? A silkworm, which is appearing in the form of a caterpillar. You people are well familiar with caterpillar. Is it right? By seeing the caterpillar, we may get do you feel, is it nice to see a caterpillar? No, it is not nice. And do you have interest to see butterflies? Yes, we all have interest to enjoy the beauty of butterfly. And you also know that after some days, the caterpillar, it just turns, it forms from ugly form to a beautiful form. What is that? Butterfly. In the same manner, silkworm also, which looks like a caterpillar, and it has ability to produce silk fiber. Here we have to discuss about the story of silk. Do you know the story of silk? Here I will tell, listen. That is about 2600 years BC. 2600 years BC. This story happened in China. Okay? In China. Is it right? Then here in this story, a Chinese princess was there. Her name is Si Ling. One day she was having a cup of tea in her garden. Okay? While she is having a cup of tea, something fell into her cup. What is that? Did you think? She finds that is somewhat hard ball-like structure which is covered by certain thread-like structures. And by seeing that, she has interest to break that ball-like structure. But she failed to break it. By examining that ball-like structure, she prepared from that ball a thread, and that thread is called as silk. By examining the same, many people were observed the silkworm able to produce silk, and by producing the silk, whenever we weave the fibers of the silk, we people able to prepare a fabric of silk. For example, while weaving, what the weavers are doing? They just arrange the threads in this manner. Later, with the help of a weaving machine, what they'll do? They just weave the threads in this manner. Then we'll get a piece of a silk fabric which is very smooth, very shiny, and which is very expansive. You may heard the word Kanchipattu sari, Dharmavaram sari, Banaras, and different varieties of names what your mother is wearing on occasions like different traditional festivals. While attending marriage functions, she may wear different varieties of silk cloths which are very expansive. Are you able to get a silk sari which is very shiny and smooth within 500 rupees? That is not possible. Is it right? Yes, it is very, very expensive. And the process of producing silk, it is not a easy process. It is a cruel process. Why I am calling this one as cruel process? Because in order to obtain the silk fibers, most of the people are killing the silk moths, the silkworms. Whenever we kill, then only we get the silk in a quality manner. From China to the process of producing silk, it just transformed from China to Japan, and from Japan to different countries, and India also got the good name in producing silk. Is it right? In our state also, in many areas, most of the people have interest to produce the silk. This is the story of silk. Do you like this? And I will meet you with new topic, that is animal fiber. How like we are getting the fibers from plants, in the same way we people also produce fibers from animals. How we are going to produce the fibers from animals, we will discuss everything step by step in this lesson. It is very funful lesson and very interesting lesson. I'll meet you soon with a new topic of your 7th class biology. Till then, stay curious. Thank you for watching.